There's no better example of Jupiter's obsessive attention to detail than the poured ceramic transoms of our boats. Our labor-intensive dedicated process creates a perfect clean finish, identical to the rest of the boat, and you won't find a metal bracket in sight. Delivering maximum stiffness and allowing zero water absorption, Jupiter's ceramic transoms are actually bulletproof in every possible way.
So at Jupiter, we have what we call a post-finish transom, which in the beginning of the construction process, when the boat comes out the mold, there's a notch built into the transom. As the boat moves down the line, for the team to fold layers of fiberglass and gel coat, wet sand and buff where the transom meets the liner to look like one solid piece. It gives the boat a nice custom look, and it's a feature that's proprietary to Jupiter Marine.